everyone, welcome to Geometrical. And today we are going to discuss about what? The geometrical isomerism. Okay, what is cis-trans isomerism? How to find out E is an isomerism and how to calculate the number of geometrical isomerism in polyenes. Okay, first I give you the condition. Okay, which type of molecule can show the geometrical isomerism? Please note the condition, very important. Please note the condition for very important. Please note the condition for GA. What is GA? The geometrical isomerism. Okay, I give you the condition one by one. Please notice the first condition. Please note first one. That should be very important. That should be Frozen rotation. That means restricted rotation. Okay, the Frozen rotation about two adjacent carbon atom. Two adjacent atom in the molecule. Atom in the molecule. I give the example. Okay, molecule. What is Frozen? Now restricted. Okay, not able to rotate the carbon-carbon bond. See example. I take carbon double bond carbon. Okay. Now see, listen. That carbon double bond is to be a restricted rotation. Okay? We cannot do the rotation for the carbon-carbon double bond. Therefore, the carbon-carbon double bond they show what? GA. Okay. Please know the Frozen rotation about carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, double bond. Now you know very well, right? Carbon-carbon single bond. I take this one, single bond configuration. We can rotate, right? I can fix this molecule. I can rotate this one. How this will change? This change this like, right? This is the carbon-carbon single bond rotation. In case of double bond, okay, rotation is not possible. Next example. In case of cyclohexane ring, a restricted ring, cyclohexane ring, see, this carbon-carbon rotation not allowed. This carbon rotation because okay, ring to lock. This is lock system. This is lock system, right? Lock ideology. We cannot rotate what? This carbon-carbon single. Therefore, this also what? This also. I mean, cyclohexane also what? There's not only cyclohexane, cyclopropane, cyclobutane can show what? This geometrical isomerism. Okay, please note. Here also the Frozen, the rotation about the carbon-carbon, the single bond in single bond in cyclohexane system. Cyclohexane system. Not to cyclohexane, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, okay, whatever. Okay. What is the main condition? Whenever the carbon-carbon undergo what? The Frozen, not only carbon, okay, carbon hydrogen also. Oxime, okay, very important one. Oxime and imine isomerism also. I mean, syn anti-isomerism also possible in case of carbon double bond hydrogen case. Okay, that's an important jam exam point. We're going to focus only what? The carbon-carbon bond. Okay, please note. Now see. Now you know, right? Now you know very well, right? This carbon-carbon double bond and cyclohexane can show what? Then show the geometrical isomerism. What are two types of geometrical isomerism? Cis and trans. Okay, I'm going to give you the condition for what? The cis and trans isomerism. Please note. Now here carbon double bond. Okay, see. Here also carbon and carbon double bond. Okay, I take the cyclohexane ring. See, the cyclohexane ring. Here carbon-carbon single bond restricted. Okay, because lock system. This also what? Carbon-carbon single bond. Now see, very important. Listen, same group. Please note, same group at same side, and different carbon, different they call cis. It means what? A same group at same side at different carbon. This is cis isomer. Understand? Similarly, same group or atom. Okay, same group or atom in opposite side at opposite side in different carbon. We call trans. How? See, this is A opposite. In the carbon A, same carbon. This is carbon A ka. Adjacent opposite carbon, right? Opposite adjacent carbon. I mean, this is B. This is B. Therefore, this is B. This is B. Therefore, this is cis isomer. This is trans isomer. Okay. Now same adhe mari. Inga A, inga B. This is cis. Okay. Same group and same set different carbon. This is cis. Similarly, this is A, this is A, this is B, this is B. This is same group on opposite side and different carbon. This is what? Trans. Okay, now note, very important. Now, same group or the same size, same carbon, now there is no geometrical isomers. Okay, therefore I get this AA, BB. Okay, this is not cis. Please understand, this is not cis. Okay, this molecule don't show the geometry because the same group of the same carbon. Okay, see the same group at what? At different carbon atom. This is the same group opposite carbon, same group opposite a different carbon. Now that is trans. Okay, same group, same two group, and same carbon atom. Now there is no GI. What is GI? Geometrical isomerism. Understand? This is essential condition for geometrical isomerism. I give the two important examples. Please note. First one example. Please note. Now cis trans isomer example. Cis trans isomerism. First example, well-known example, malic acid, carbon and double bond carbon, here H and here H, here COH, here COH, right? Now, these two hydrogens same side, right? Therefore, cis isomer. This is cis isomer. Cis isomer. What is the name? This one? This is malic acid. This is malic acid. Understand? Similarly, here carbon and double bond carbon, here hydrogen. Okay, same group as opposite side, different carbon. Here COH, here COH, here COH. This is what? This is opposite. Therefore, this is trans isomer. This is trans isomer. What is name? Fumaric acid. This is fumaric acid. Understand? The best example for what? The GI. Now, suppose, okay, the carbon double bond containing what? The 4 different group or 3 different group. Okay, listen, upon 2 different group, right? 2A, 2B, we can tell what? Cis and trans, right? Cis and trans. Suppose the molecule containing 3A and 1B. Okay, for example, A, B, C, D. This type of molecule, how can I represent cis trans? I can use what? The EZ isomerism. Okay, please note. Very important. This very important one. Please note. EZ isomerism. EZ system. Okay. I give you the condition when EZ system can arise. Note. Okay. Cannot be used. Cannot be used. Okay, cannot be used. Please note. Cannot be used if the 4 different group or 3 different group, 4 different group or atom attached to carbon double bond. Okay, for in this case I can use what? We can assign which isomerism? We can assign the EZ isomerism, not resistance. Okay, which can use the EZ isomerism. Okay, now see the using the CIP rule. We can assign what? We can assign the EZ isomerism. Okay, I will tell you how can assign the EZ isomerism. Very important. Please, I go for next slide. I'm going to explain one by one. Now, please understand what is E first. E. Please note what is E. This is called antigen. ENTGEEN. Antigen. That is mean opposite. Opposite. Trans like not trans. Okay, opposite. What is Z? Zisomer. Greek letter. Zisomer. That is together, same side. Together. Okay. This based on numbering. Okay, number 1, 2, 3. The 2 number are same side. For 1, 1 same side now. That is Z isomer. Opposite side on this now. E isomer. See, I give the example for you. Take this example. The carbon and carbon double bond. I'm going to assign CA rule using numbering, right? Here 1, here also 1. Here 2, here also 2, right? Now 1 on same side. Therefore, this is Zisomer together. Similarly, carbon and double bond carbon. Here 1, here 1. Okay, here 2 and here 2. This is 1 on opposite, 2 to opposite. Therefore, this is E isomer. Okay, numbering. How to do the numbering is based on what? The CIP rule. Okay, using the CIP rule, I'm going to assign the numbering for the molecule. I start the example one by one. See the example. Okay, I give the example for you. We discuss one by one example in based on what? The CIP rule. See, first example. Okay, take this one. First example. Carbon, double bond carbon, here Cl, here Br, okay, here hydrogen, here CH3. Now, First take this carbon. You choose, you take any carbon. I choose this carbon. Here Cl, here Br, which is highest atomic number, Brn. Therefore, this 1. This is 2. CP rule only. Okay. In case of this carbon attach hydrogen CS, which higher priority CS3 based on atomic number. This is 1. This is 2. Now see, forget the group C, the only numbering 1 1 same side, 2 2 same. Therefore, what? This is a isomer. Zisomer. Understand? Go for next question. Okay. Here carbon double bond. Here fluorine. Here bromine. Okay. Here CH3. Here hydrogen. Okay. Now do the numbering. Choose this carbon. This is 1, right? Bromine 1. This is 2. Similarly, this is 1. This is 2. Both number opposite. Therefore, this what? E isomer. Understand? Go for that example. Here carbon and double bond carbon. Okay. Here C2H5. Here Cl. Here F. Here hydrogen. Now do the numbering. Same. Here chlorine. Okay. Here period. This is 1. C2H5 2. Fluorine hydrogen. This is 1. This is 2. Now look the 1 2 3 1 3 1 1 opposite 2 2 opposite. This is what? This is E isomer. Simple. Okay. Now Zisomer are not together. Cis like. Antigen na opposite. Trans like. Okay. We can use only one. Cis and trans. Okay. I give one more example. Test yourself. You can test yourself this question. Very important. Test yourself. Okay. You tell me answer in the comment section. What is the answer for this one? Here carbon double bond. Okay, this system double bond O. Here hydrogen. Here this type of group. Okay. Here hydrogen. Here CS3. CH3. We can assign one. The downlation for this double bond. Tell me answer in comment section. Okay. Now this important one. Very very important. How to calculate the number of GI for polyenes. Okay? For example, compound containing what? The more than 1 or 2 double bond. Then out that time. Okay. How to find out the number of GI? I'm going to use a tricks. Okay. Please note the trick. Please note the trick. Very important. What is a trick? Okay. Calculate. Please note. Calculate number of. Calculate the number of GI. Number of GI in polyenes. In polyenes. Polyenes. Simple. See. Make a table column. See. Here. Take this one. Very simple. Just wait. Simple. See. Now. I go into classify 3 types. Suppose. Okay. The terminal. Okay. Look the terminal. If terminal is different. I will give the example. Okay. If terminals are different, what is the formula? Formula number of GI. The number of GI that's equal to 2 power n. What is the formula? 2 power n. If terminals are different, if the terminals are different or same, okay, or same, that time we can look what? The double bond count. Even if a double bond is even, the even, okay, double bond is even number of double bond or odd number of double bonds, okay, odd number of double bonds. If double bond is even, we can use which formula? Please note the formula, very important. Okay, the number of the GI that's equal to the 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n by 2 minus 1. Okay. If double bond is odd, okay, what is number of GI? The number of the GI, what is the formula? The 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay. Very, very important formula. Please know all the formula. Okay. Based on this one, we can use what? You can use the find out the number of GI without what? Drawing the structure using trick. Please note. It's a formula for what? To find out the number of GI in case of the polyene system. Okay. What is n? Please know what is n value. What is n? Here note. N equal to number of double bond. N is equal to number of double bond in the polyene. Okay. Number of double bond. Okay. First listen. Look the terminal. Terminal are different. We can use simple 2 power n. If terminal is same, count the number of double bond. If odd not 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n by 2 minus 1. If odd on the 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay. See, I give the example. Take first example. First example. Here C6H5. Here carbon CH and double bond CH. Here single bond CH and double bond CH. Okay. Now similarly what? Here CH and double bond CH. and single bond CH and double bond CH, here Cl. Very simple. Now see, look at this terminal, this Cl, here CTH, CCH, benzene ring, because now terminal different, terminals are different. What is the formula for Ga? 2 power n, right? Therefore, the number of Gi equal to what? 2 power n. What is n? Number of double bond. Count the number of double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, n value is 4. What is the formula now? 2 power 4. What is 2 power 4? 16. Right? Answer is 16. Simple. 16 isomer possible for this isomer. Okay. Go for second example. Okay. Here Cl and CH and double bond CH. Here CH and double bond CH. Now this also CH and double bond CH. Here CH and double bond CH Cl. Now look this carbon, see the terminal. Here also Cl. Here also Cl. Therefore, terminal are same. Terminal are same. Terminal are same. Now, what is next rule? Okay, find out the number of double bond. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the number of double bond equal to the number of double bond. dB. Double bond equal to 4. It means for even number, right? What is the formula of even number? Now note the number of Ga equal to, please note the number of Ga equal. What is the formula? The 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n by 2 minus 1. Now what is n value? 4. Therefore, 2 power the 4 minus 1 plus 2 power the 4 by 2 minus 1. What is the answer? 2 power 4 and 2 power 3. Right? This is 2 power. Right? Therefore, what is the answer is 10. Very important. How many is possible? 10 is possible. Okay. Now, third example, final example. Please note, third example. Same. Here, C6, H5, CH, and double bond CH, in single bond CH, and double bond CH, here double bond, single bond CH, and double bond CH, here C6, H5. Now look, what is terminal? Here also what? CCH5, here also CCH5. Therefore, the terminal are same. Terminal are same. Okay. Now count the number of double bond. What is number of double bond? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, number of double bond 3, even number, odd number. So number of double bond equal to 3. This is odd number. Now, what is the formula? The number of Ga. The number of the Ga. What is the formula? Very important formula. The 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay. Do carefully. Now, what is 2 power? The 3 minus 1. Okay. Plus 2 power the 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Therefore, 2 power minus 2 power 3 minus 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 2. Here 2 power 4 by 2 and minus 1. That, what is what? This is plus 2 power 2 minus 1. Here 2 power 2. That, what is the answer? Answer is 6 isomer, right? Okay. This way you can find out one. In case of poly, we can first look the terminal. For terminal different, we can use 2 power n formula. Is terminal same? Check the number of double bond. Or now we can use that formula. Even other you can use different formula. Okay. I hope you understand how to find out geometrical isomerism. What is the condition of geometrical isomerism? And thank you so much for watching. And upcoming video, I'm going to discuss what the optical isomerism. And Tata, bye bye. Take care.